Dean and his girlfriend, Emma, were excited to buy their first home together, but there was a concern. Dean needed to make sure that the inheritance money he was putting toward the house was protected in case their relationship fell apart. Dean had received a significant inheritance, and while both he and Emma were thrilled about the home purchase, he needed to ensure his financial contribution was secure. Dean and his mortgage broker started getting legal quotes for their plan to quarantine his nest egg. One of the lawyers quoted $10,000 for a financial agreement. It was far more than they expected, so Dean and Emma decided to explore other options. They spent a lot of time searching online for a more affordable yet legally binding solution. After seeing such a high quote from a lawyer, they were cautious about anything cheaper. Is this a scam? Dean and Emma couldn't help but wonder, how could something more affordable be trustworthy? What's the catch? They didn't want to compromise on something so important. Then Emma reached out to RP Emery and had a reassuring conversation. The team explained the process, why it was more affordable, and how the legal review ensured everything was secure. Talking to someone directly gave them confidence. Dean's lawyer was incredibly thorough, going over every detail of the agreement and making sure he fully understood the risks and potential scenarios. He felt confident knowing his inheritance money was protected. Emma's lawyer took a more laid-back approach, but it didn't matter. Both lawyers ensured the agreement was legally sound and protected their interests. In the end, both Dean and Emma were thrilled. They had a solid legal agreement in place, and Dean felt assured that his inheritance was protected. It gave them peace of mind without the enormous cost of traditional lawyers. If you're buying a home with your partner, make sure your financial future is protected with RP Emery's de facto cohabitation agreement kits. Create a legally binding agreement with independent legal advice, all for a fraction of the cost of traditional lawyers.